Hello and welcome guys, welcome to this quick video. So I waste like 1 hour and a half try to figure out what went wrong with my Kdenlive, and I still don't know, but I find how to fix it, right? So to fix this, so the problem was when I just open Kdenlive, whenever I click on this play button, it does a freeze and won't just respond anything. So it just freeze and I cannot do anything. To fix this, we have to go to this .config under the home. Let me just show you where am I now. So under the config and right there, let me just move this so that you can see it. So right here I'm under the config, home config, and right there search for a folder or a file that is named Kdenlive. And so this is the file that was causing the trouble for me. You have to remove it, rename it, or just get rid of it, and everything should be fine because Kdenlive will regenerate another file, and hopefully everything should be fine. And yeah, so that's it, and hope this will help somebody out there because it does really waste a lot of time to fix this and figure out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.